Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can type in live transcribe to respond to a conversation on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, tap on accessibility, then tap on hearing enhancements, and then tap on live transcribe. Next, tap on settings. You want to tap on open live transcribe, and then tap on the keyboard, and this will allow you to type to respond. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.